Okay, so today I'm going to be putting up some wood duck boxes that my dad made for me. So I just kind of wanted to show you these boxes that he made. They're super, super nice. I'm going to put them back by the water in the beaver pond back here. So let me show you the box. Okay, wood ducks are actually a bird that they're very, very lazy nesters, and so they need a big box like this. And you can see this hole in the top of the box is the size of my hand. And so wood ducks only live in nesting holes that are made by other birds, and then on top of that they don't provide their own nesting material, so they're kind of lazy birds. But then also that makes them very dependent on having old trees in the environment, and so this nail here actually holds in this panel so that I can service the box. And so here on the inside you can actually see my dad put a little bit of mesh in there so that they can climb out once they're ready. And so I'm going to put this back by the water, and then hopefully I'll get a resident. And I've got this cedar bedding chips here, and I'll put about 4, 5, 6 inches or so in the bottom of this, and then I'll clean that out every couple years and provide them some new nesting. So here I am down in the bottom of the yard, and you can see back here I've got quite an extensive swamp. I mean, it's hundreds and hundreds of yards wide, and I've already got this post up, and so I've got my handy dandy impact drill here, and I'll affix this wood duck box to this post. I'll be putting a predator control ring, a small steel ring around it as well, so squirrels and other things don't get in here. But like I said, wood ducks rely on other birds like woodpeckers and things to make nesting cavities. So with the decline of those birds, wood ducks for a very, very long time were in steep decline. And so without these boxes, they're really not going to make a good recovery. And they're native here, and I see them back here in the woods, all the time, flying over and flying right through the trees. So hopefully I'll get some residents.